Hey, if you want to add an extra layer of security to your Rocket League account, you have to use the two-factor authentication. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable it for your Rocket League or Epic Games account. So without any delay, let's dive right in. First, go to epicgames.com with a browser of your choice. Then click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now, this page should load up. Enter your account details and log into your account. Then, click on the profile icon again and select account from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the password and security tab. Now, scroll down to the end and you'll find the two-factor authentication section. You can use a two-factor authenticator app, your email, or your phone number for it. Simply click the setup button next to their name to get it ready. Let's go over an example. Let's say you want to use your email for the two-factor authentication. So just click on the setup button here, and you'll receive a code from Epic Games that you need to type here. So just check the email that is connected to your account and copy-paste the code here. If you can't find it in your inbox, check the spam folder as well. After pasting the code, just click on Enable Email Authentication, and two-factor authentication will be enabled for you. So that's it. That's how you enable two-factor authentication in Rocket League. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.